Hey everyone, it's your favorite pick instant back again with another exciting video for you all. In this one, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 best laptops under $500 that are currently available on the market. These products have either helped me a lot in my business or just appeal to me personally. So without further ado, let's get started. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 5. Asus Vivo 15. Asus Vivo 15 is the best entry-level laptop with solid performance. It comes with a 15.6 inches Full HD Nano Edge bezel display which makes you see in full display. As a result, it has a tremendous screen-to-body ratio of 83%. In addition, it has a strong processor of Intel Core i3-1115G4. It comes with the storage of 128GB PCIe NVMe.2 SSD and the onboard storage of 4GB DDR4 and 4GB DDR4 SODIMM RAM. Moreover, to give powerful protection, Asus Vivo 15 laptop comes with Windows 11 Home and S Mode and Windows Hello login using an ergonomically backlit keyboard and a fingerprint reader. Its full-size backlit keyboard is ideal for working in poor light. Ergonomically constructed, with a one-piece structure and 1.4mm key travel, this keyboard gives a pleasant typing experience. In addition, the Asus VivoBook F515 is lightweight, weighing only 3.97 pounds. A fingerprint sensor, USB 3.2 Type-A, USB 3.2 Type-C, USB 2.0, and HDMI are among the many ports available. It is one of the best affordable laptops under $500. At number 4. Lenovo. It comes with the excellent combo of performance, connectivity, and entertainment provided by 10th Gen Intel Core CPUs, which makes you work from home, college, or elsewhere. In addition, it is equipped with clever performance that fits your needs for a more personalized, intuitive, and fast experience. A 2-in-1 laptop features a keyboard and a touchscreen to allow interacting with the display a breeze. In addition, the 13.3-inch FHD display provides beautiful graphics. Moreover, this small, lightweight 360-degree convertible Chromebook comes with narrow bezels which reduce distractions. And it has 2 stereo speakers placed in front of the user to keep you fully involved in the session. You can access documents, photos, and audio stored in the cloud with a Google account from everywhere. And also you'll be able to stay working for up to 10 hours on a single charge. Having enough connections and good connectivity is essential for efficient workflow. So, it has 2 USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type-C ports, 1 USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type-A port, and 1 audio jack. You can experience speedy data transmission and battery charging all in one with the USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type-C port. At number 3. HP Stream 11. Are you looking for the cheapest Windows 11 laptop under $500? You won't have a better choice than HP Stream 11. It comes with faster startup speeds, improved responsiveness, and additional safety against phishing and malware. Windows 11 Home and S Mode is the safest Windows ever developed. The battery lasts up to 13 hours. So, take on the day without having to worry about recharging your phone. Instead, your device will run smoothly due to the ideal blend of performance, battery consumption, and value. Its sleek and light PC is highly portable. With 1 million pixels of incredible resolution and outstanding quality, you can enjoy your pleasure. The Stream sports a lightweight 11-inch chassis that weighs 2.5 pounds and is only 0.7 inches thick. Even though our model has a dreary black paint job, the HP Stream 11 is appealing due to its small size. At number 2. Samsung Chromebook 3. Samsung Chromebook 3 is one of the best budget laptops under $300. It is a Chrome OS notebook with an 11.60-inch display with a 1366x768 pixel resolution. It comes with an Intel Celeron processor. It has a storage capacity of 4GB RAM. However, because Chrome OS is designed to be low maintenance, the Chromebook 3 is still suitable for light computing. It is the best laptop for students under $500. Because it's relatively affordable and easy to put into a bag and carry around, it weighs only 1.18 kilograms and comes with 17.9 mm thickness. It is also well built and withstands a few knocks, which is helpful in a school. It has the kind of solid design you'd like from a reputable company like Samsung. Now, you can allow your children to use it to view films at snack time due to the water-resistant keyboard. As it is built to last, it retains the majority of its capacity after 3 years of operation. The battery will last up to 11 hours on one charge. You're protected against viruses and malware due to built-in security safeguards. There's no need for setup or long load times. Log in with the Google account, and you're good to go. Chrome OS will help you experience the world. Get the most out of Google, Gmail, Maps, Docs, and Photos, and back it all up to the cloud. It will only become better as your Chromebook receives free updates regularly. At number 1. Microsoft Surface Go 2. It is the best laptop under $500 with a touchscreen. It comes with a 10.5-inch PixelSense display. 1920 by 1280 pixels is a significant improvement over the Surface Go's 1800 by 1210-inch panel. The larger screen area gives the tablet a more modern appearance. It is a 3-in-1 laptop. You can use this as a laptop, tablet, and studio. You can pair your laptop with the Surface Go Signature Type cover for a whole typing experience everywhere. It has a complete, backlit keyset as well as a massive trackpad. It is sleek and compact. It is ideal for ebooks, web surfing, and it is the best cheap laptop for streaming video. Its entire HD front and rear-facing cameras enable you to make crystal-clear calls as well as shoot and share stunning images. It has 2-watt stereo speakers which support Dolby Audio Premium but have enough volume to fill the modest temporary workplace. It comes with a USB-C port along with a headphone jack. Surface Pen is quicker and more efficient than ever. You can tilt the laptop for shading, increased sensitivity, and almost no latency. Surface Mobile Mouse is now offered in a new range of vibrant colors, with seamless scrolling and dongle-free Bluetooth networking. It is the best laptop under $500 with 8 GB RAM. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comment section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.